What up, guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. Doing easy dinner tonight. It's fish burrito kind of night. These little fish sticks are from Trader Joe's. Come in a bag. I got bacon grease in there, give them a little flavor. And it's not seed oil, so it's not as bad for you. Nothing wrong with bacon grease. Well, probably something, but it's not that bad. So we'll let those go in a covered pan for a little bit, warm up. And then we got our mise en place here. So some mushrooms, some tomatoes. There's a sweet onion, green onion, and cilantro in this little container. And then some garlic sauce from the Mediterranean place down the street. Hooking it up, yeah. And of course, a couple of burrito size tortillas, small burrito size tortillas. They're not the huge ones you'll find at like Chipotle or whatever, but they're gonna do the job. Watch. And we got our friend smoked paprika, minced garlic, and ground cumin over here, giving it that Mexican vibe. Tortilla in for a couple minutes under the broiler. So here's how I do it. I just take 3 of those little fish stick pieces, break them up on there, put the smoked paprika, the minced garlic, and the cumin on, and then load it with the veg. Like so. I put some the garlic sauce on there and some pepper and turmeric on there just for because it's good for you. Turmeric is so awesome for you guys. Do you guys know about that? Leave a comment in the comment section and tell me. And there we go. Flip it over. And there you have it. Awesome fish burrito. Yeah, yeah. So friggin' amazing. Oh my goodness. And of course, put some hot sauce on. Your favorite, of course. This is your project. I'm not telling you to make it exactly like this. You don't even have to use fish. Use whatever meat you want, or just go all veggie. It's all up to you. Alright, thanks guys for coming back. I love you. Please smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And feel free to leave a comment. I love you guys. Have a great day. Peace.